Okay, so we made it on the boat. It's about 8:50. Sail time is 8 o'clock. They're still loading, so we'll probably be another hour or so to load everything. So hopefully we can get out of here by 10. And yeah, start the adventure on the Ilala in Lake Malawi.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we just heard the horn. It's 10:22, so maybe we'll leave here in a few minutes.
Later.
Okay, so it's 11 o'clock and they finally took away the boarding stairs, so I think we're leaving. So it's good to arrive here a little bit early before the boat, but be warned that the boat's not going to take off on time. And I've heard that delays could be up to 24 hours. So just keep that in mind. So if you book a first class ticket, instead of waiting in this line over here, you come on this side and you walk straight to the boat. So it behooves you to book first class, maybe. Yeah, and there's our ferry out there, the Ilala. Oh wow, I thought it was the one on the right. It's definitely the one on the left. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting.
That's what she said.
You show your tickets here at this guy. He checks your ticket, and then you walk across the bridge here to the Ilala.
Did you know that the famous MV Ilala has been sailing on Lake Malawi for over 70 years? Launched in 1951, this iconic ferry is often called the lifeline of Lake Malawi because it connects lakeside communities that are difficult to reach by road.
Alright, so that's where we walk from. Coming onto our boat here. So your bike's up here if you need to, in front of the ship. Got our people down here. This is our part of second class. Alright, let me not fall down this ladder.
Here's a fun fact. The Ilala was built in Scotland, then shipped in pieces to Malawi and assembled near the lake. That's quite a journey even before its first voyage. The ferry travels hundreds of kilometers along one of the world's largest and deepest lakes, stopping at islands and remote villages. It carries everything from passengers and bicycles to food and supplies. Another interesting fact, despite its age, the Ilala remains one of Malawi's most beloved symbols and even attracts tourists who ride it for the experience and the stunning lake views. And here's the coolest part. While many ferries are retired after a few decades, the Ilala is still serving communities today, making it one of the oldest working passenger ferries in Africa.
So, that second class I just showed you, all these people are going to be in that, plus the people we already saw on there. They're boarding now. We're just going up. Got the saloon there when we need to hit that later. Ooh. Ow! I hit my knee on the stair. Oh man, it's top deck right here. And my knee hurts. Oh, that really hurt. Send help. Send help.
The next time you see the Ilala crossing the sparkling waters of Lake Malawi, remember, you're looking at a floating piece of Malawian history.
So you actually come to the saloon to get your key for your room. Cabin 4 here. Let's go find cabin 2. Hey, we remember this. The engineer and the captain are on this side. Likoma. Oh, that's the saloon. Okay, it's the other side. That's what we saw earlier. And where's my room? Cabin number 2. All right. Right next to the toilet and shower. I thought I was gonna have to share. I have this whole room to myself. Oh, that feels nice. Even the baboons came to say goodbye to us. That'd be crazy if they jumped on the boat right before we left. We are casting off.
Think Lake Malawi is just a lake? Think again. Lake Malawi is one of the most extraordinary lakes on Earth. For starters, it's the 9th largest lake in the world and holds about 7% of the planet's liquid fresh surface water. That's an incredible amount of water in one place. But here's what makes it truly special. Lake Malawi is home to more species of fish than any other lake on Earth. Scientists have identified hundreds of colorful cichlid fish, and many are found nowhere else in the world.
Where are you going, Till? I know you want to be in the video.
Yeah, I definitely want to be in there.
The lake is so vast that standing on the shore can feel like looking out at the ocean. In fact, it stretches nearly 580 kilometers from north to south. Its crystal clear waters attract visitors from around the globe for swimming, snorkeling, diving, and relaxing on beautiful sandy beaches. And there's one more amazing fact. Lake Malawi is shared by 3 countries, Malawi, Mozambique, and Tanzania, making it a natural treasure for the entire region. Lake Malawi isn't just a lake. It's a world of wildlife, history, and adventure, all in one breathtaking place.
So it looks like there's just like 20 of us up here, mostly us tourists and then a few military guys.
By what I've heard about this trip, I thought it's like a total mayhem, but actually it's like the most civilized trip I've ever been on. I hear it's basically everybody fighting for their space on the top deck to find a place to sleep, but it's totally chill.
What did you hear?
I didn't eat anything.
So these are the boats that you have to get onto if you want to ride back to land, which is over there.
At this first stop, not that many people got off, but right here you'll see there's a few women and children getting off. Watch how this guy just kind of like one-arms this child. He's like, here, take the kid. And this is kind of how they treated all valuable goods and people and things when they were getting on and off the boats.
You do not want to be this guy. He made it though. Wow. You almost missed the boat, bro. That's not even an official form of transport. We arrived here in Mankanjira at 2:30 p.m. instead of 10 a.m. and we're leaving at 4:15 instead of 11 a.m. And they use the lifeboats to take people out, and the lifeboats have written on the side maximum 22 persons, and Till said he counted 42 people on one of the boats. So, yeah, type in the comment below what I should have said here at this moment.
I get Malawi time and stuff.
Oh, his shoes. Oh, no. Oh, his shoes in the water. So if you arrive late for a boat that's late, that means you are super, super late.
How's that even possible?
Suscríbete ya al canal de TMax. Viajes y culturas.
I can't film it because you won't be able to see it, but these guys are taking the boats full of people across the bay in pitch black. Like, they don't have any lights or anything, and people are coming on the boat now, like with TVs and suitcases. It's dark out here, but they're making it work.
Suscríbete ya al canal de TMax. Viajes y culturas, un mundo que verás. Dale like, comenta, comparte sin parar.
Good morning, everybody. So last night was interesting. Actually, the room was fine. It's nice and warm because I'm next to the engine room, but that also attracted a bunch of visitors who, when I woke up this morning, were just all sleeping outside my room, mostly women and children. So I kind of stayed in my room a little bit until they got up and left. But we got to a place at about 4 a.m. and because I'm like lower deck, and all the just exchange and the interaction noise just jumping into my room from 4 to 7, which when we were docked, yeah, I was like waking up every 5 minutes because somebody was like yelling, ah, 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 ah. So let's see how Till, these guys felt up here. How was your sleeping experience on top of the deck?
Actually way better than I would have expected. Just had like my tiny sleeping bag and the ground sheet for my tent, so it could even have a proper sleeping pad. But actually I slept way better than I thought because I had my shoes, which were serving as a proper pillow.
So the entire time that I've been on this trip, I haven't had any issues with internet service. I use TNM, so I've had a signal pretty much the whole time yesterday. But then today, my signal was pretty bad after we left the port, and I lost it at one point. But the people who say they had Airtel said that they almost had no service the entire time they've been on the boat. So that's something to consider. But now we're getting closer to Likoma Island, and we're crossing through Mozambican waters. I have absolutely no signal right now, but then hopefully when we get to the island, I will get my signal back.
Breakfast was good.
I love breakfast.
It was really nice. It was like
White toast with some tomato sauce on it, fried egg.
fried egg.
You called it a deconstructed shakshuka, which I think was quite fitting. But the taste was good.
It was a bit like an English breakfast. Delicious.
Yeah. Not
Nutritious.
filling enough though, but that's why we're eating mango now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Can recommend. Also the omelette sandwich was also really good.
I think it was like the best breakfast I've ever had on a ship that's around like 100 years old. I think the other breakfasts I've had on old boats were like, the boats were like maximum 80 years old, so it was the best on a 100-year-old ship. I loved the instant coffee. It wasn't sweet at all. Tasted 100% like coffee.
Do I detect a note of sarcasm? Are you kidding me? This baby is off the charts.
I enjoyed the sea view, and what I really enjoy actually is the guy serving the breakfast. He's a legend. He's like so cute, such a nice guy. 10 out of 10 would recommend coming here for breakfast.
So these three said the shashuka was really nice, so I arrived after they ate it, so I ordered it, and it's not what I was expecting. It was, I mean, it's fine, but it was 2 bits of soggy bread with tomato sauce and 1 fried egg. It didn't look very appealing, but at the end of the day we are on a boat, so it's fine.
She managed to hide her disappointment at the meal exceptionally well. It wasn't apparent to anyone that you were vastly disappointed.
I asked if I could get another egg, and he said that would be 5,000. So I was like, it's okay, I'll just have this.
And then she looked like someone had sneezed over her food.
Okay, so there we have Likoma in the background, and we're getting ready to get off. But on this trip, I met some really interesting people. I want to say it was maybe about 10 of us that were foreigners, travelers. But I came across some guys that are cycling around Africa. Really interesting. Let's chat with them real quick.
Hello.
Hey everyone.
We are French and we travel by bicycle. So we started in Namibia 3 months ago, kinda now. And we are now in the Lake Malawi with the bicycle. And we go to Likoma Island for enjoy a bit the dive and everything.
And rest a little bit as well.
Yeah, and rest. The legs need to rest a bit now after how many km?
We did about 2,600 k. And now we just crossed Namibia, Botswana, Zambia, and now Malawi, and to finish in Tanzania. You can follow us on Mylis L on Instagram.
Yeah.
And catch up there, and you're gonna see all the details about our trip, what we did, what we saw.
And if you want to do it by bicycle, it's possible for everybody because I'm not a cyclist normally.
Yeah, it's been a great 28 hours on the Ilala Ferry. It's my second time coming on here, although the last time was in 2007, so just a brief 19 years ago. And last time also similarly magical experience. Really met a really great group of people on the boat this time and last time as well. So I think just in terms of really meeting a sort of diverse bunch of people and having a very unique African experience, this really is one of the tippy top ones. And yeah, now I'm gonna go and find out what Likoma Island is all about and enjoy that in Nkata Bay before heading back down to Lilongwe, which I think is some of the best bits of Malawi. It's been great.
It was okay, it was fine. We got on, it wasn't that busy on first class in the top deck, and yeah, I was meant to sleep up here. Good job I didn't, because I didn't have any stuff to sleep on and someone had a spare bed in their room, so I slept there. But it's been alright, and then we've almost arrived. It's long.
I slept here and it was very comfortable, I have to say. That's all I've got to say.
So, our trip on the Ilala. Well,
we're almost here. We can already see the island behind us.
It's looking beautiful, very idyllic, very excited to be here.
And the trip was good. We really had a good time.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun actually.
Getting on the boat was an experience.
Definitely on the shoulders of locals who carried us and torpedoed us into the boat.
To get onto the big boat, on this boat.
Yeah.
But then here, really quickly, met some lovely people, had good chats,
yeah,
good food,
The waiting on the beach was probably like the most annoying part.
Yeah.
6 hours.
We were waiting for 6 hours on the beach, yeah.
Yeah.
We were there, we were an hour earlier, which was our first mistake.
Because we're German and Dutch, so obviously we're an hour earlier.
Instead of coming an hour late. But then the boat came after sunset, so around 6.
We did have the luck, we paid for it, but to have a cabin though, I think that was also really nice because I didn't expect to have a good night's sleep on the boat, but it was actually a great night's sleep.
Yeah.
We had a fan, we had a cozy bed, like it was great. Yeah, I loved it actually. But I really enjoyed it. I would definitely like recommend it
to people.
Yeah.
Next time we'll sleep on the deck.
Yeah.
All I can tell y'all is that it's about to go down.
That was easily like top 3 most chaotic things I've ever tried to do. Just try to get down the stairs, through the hallway, to the boat, into the boat. Let's go. None of my other friends made it on the boat, just me. How was that boat ride?
Second favorite boat ride any I ever did. I just do not remember my favorite one.
How was your boat ride?
Perfect. I don't understand why was first class getting off first? Second class were near the door and let them off first. We went down, it was jam packed. You're trying to go to the boat, people coming on the boat, the opposite direction. It was just mayhem, it was horrendous.